Hi, my name is Veronica Barajas with mywigglesandgiggles.com, and I'd like to share with you some of the duties of a daycare teacher. Well, besides helping mold the minds of our little ones, we have some, down and dirty duties that we're all required to do. So some of the basics that duties of a teacher would be, cleaning up after the kids, changing diapers, wiping noses, feeding lunches, preparing lunches, of course, teaching, development activities as far as reading, singing, dancing, things like that, supervision of outside play, also interacting with the parents, giving reports. You could, whether it's paperwork or it's just verbal, a lot of the times you're not required to do daily reports, things like that. It's going to be different from each daycare, as each daycare director or owner is allowed to kind of, create their own. That's what, the best thing is there's so many different options out there that it's going to depend on which daycare you work for. But essentially, it's just going to be pretty much the, safety and well-being of each child, making sure that they're, well taken care of, fed, changed. You don't want to have a dirty kid going home every day. So definitely just the basic grooming and essentials of making sure that a kid has a good learning experience at any daycare. So.